Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something exciting for you. Have you ever thought about increasing your income without even stepping out of your home? Well, stay tuned because I'm about to share 5 easy ways to boost your income online. First off, let me introduce you to the title of today's video. Make money online, 5 easy ways to boost your income. In this video, we'll explore some practical and accessible methods to help you make money from the comfort of your own space. The internet has revolutionized the way we work and make money. With countless opportunities available, making money online has become accessible to anyone with a computer and an internet connection. Here are 5 easy ways to boost your income online in 2024. 1. Freelancing. 1.1. Find your niche. Skills inventory. List your skills, such as writing, graphic design, web development, or digital marketing. Market demand. Research which skills are in high demand and where you can offer competitive services. 1.2. Join freelance platforms, popular platforms. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and TopTal. Profile optimization. Create a compelling profile highlighting your skills, experience, and portfolio. Gig listings. Post clear and detailed gig listings that specify what you offer and the benefits clients will receive. 1.3. Build a client base, quality work. Deliver high-quality work to receive positive reviews and repeat business. Networking. Connect with clients on LinkedIn and other professional networks to expand your reach. Referrals. Encourage satisfied clients to refer you to others. 2. Online surveys and market research. 2.1. Sign up for survey sites. Trusted sites. Join reputable survey sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Vindale Research, and Toluna. Profile accuracy. Complete your profile accurately to receive surveys that match your interests and demographics. 2.2. Participate regularly. Daily surveys. Set aside time each day to complete surveys and earn rewards. Consistency. Stay consistent to maximize your earnings. 2.3. Cash out rewards. Reward options. Choose from various reward options such as cash via PayPal, gift cards, or merchandise. Payout threshold. Be aware of the payout thresholds and redeem your rewards once you reach the minimum amount. 3. Affiliate marketing. 3.1. Choose a niche interest and knowledge. Select a niche you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Profitability. Research niches that have a good balance of demand and affiliate programs. 3.2. Join affiliate programs. Popular programs. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and Commission Junction. Niche programs. Look for affiliate programs specific to your niche for better targeted promotions. 3.3. Promote products. Content creation. Create high-quality content such as blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts to promote affiliate products. SEO and keywords. Use SEO techniques and relevant keywords to attract organic traffic to your content. Call to action. Include clear calls to action, encouraging readers or viewers to click on your affiliate links. 4. Online tutoring and teaching. 4.1. Identify your expertise. Subject matter. Determine the subjects you excel in, such as math, science, languages, or test preparation. Certification. Obtain any necessary certifications or qualifications to enhance your credibility. 4.2. Join tutoring platforms. Popular platforms. Register on platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, Wyzant, and Teachable. Profile and availability. Create a detailed profile and set your availability for tutoring sessions. 4.3. Create educational content. Online courses. Develop comprehensive online courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or your website. Webinars and workshops. Host live webinars or workshops to engage with students in real time. 5. E-commerce and dropshipping. 5.1. Choose a product or niche market research. Identify products with high demand and low competition. Supplier research. Find reliable suppliers through platforms like Alibaba, Oberlo, or Salehu. 2. Set up an online store. E-commerce platforms. Use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to create your online store. Store design. Design a user-friendly and visually appealing store. 5.3. Market your store in PPC. Use SEO and pay-per-click PPC advertising to drive traffic to your store. Social media marketing. Promote your products on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters with product updates and promotions. In conclusion, Making money online in 2024 is achievable with the right strategies and dedication. By freelancing, participating in online surveys, engaging in affiliate marketing, tutoring, and setting up an e-commerce store, you can boost your income and achieve financial freedom. Remember, consistency and quality are key to success in any online venture. Lastly, I encourage you to take action. Try out at least one of the methods we discussed and share your experiences in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on making money online. Your financial future could be just a click away. If you find value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to get more information on financial freedom and wealth management. There are 2 videos that I prepared for you. These videos will add more value to your life. Click on one of them and watch to improve your wealth mindset.